How to fix slow charger on Steam Deck. 1. Ensure that you are using the official charger. 2. Change up your cable. 3. Reset the USB-C power delivery. 4. Restart your Steam Deck. Learn more, Steam Deck won't turn on or charge. If you're experiencing issues with your Steam Deck not turning on or charging, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. 1. Verify the battery charge, ensure that the Steam Deck has enough battery power to turn on. Connect it to a power source using the provided USB-C power adapter and allow it to charge for a while. Check if the charging indicator light turns on, which indicates that it's receiving power. 2. Check the USB-C cable and power adapter, make sure the USB-C cable and power adapter you are using are functioning properly. Try using a different USB-C cable or power adapter to rule out any potential issues with the charging equipment. 3. Reset the device, press and hold the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. This should force a reset of the Steam Deck. Afterward, try turning it on again. 4. Ensure proper connection. When charging, confirm that the USB-C cable is securely connected to both the Steam Deck and the power source. Sometimes a loose connection can prevent charging. 5. Try a different power source. If you are using a wall outlet, try using a different outlet or USB port on your computer. Sometimes the issue could be with the power source. 6. Contact Steam support. Resolve the issue. It's recommended to reach out to Steam support or the manufacturer of the Steam Deck for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or guide you through any necessary repairs or replacements. Remember to consult the Steam Deck user manual or official support resources for more detailed instructions tailored to your specific device.